Our attention span is reportedly shrinking. In an article published by Time, it has been noted that the goldfish can focus for 9 seconds, comparably higher by a second than people these days. The digital age filled with content affects our focus. How can universities evolve to hold the attention of their students?
Universities have been pillars of knowledge for centuries. But in this rapidly changing digital age, the way we teach and learn is evolving. Universities are respected for academic rigor, but should we adapt to become a TikTok university?
While traditional lectures have their place, engagement is key for Gen Z. They thrive on interactivity, collaboration, and digital tools. The question arises, how can we make lectures more interactive and appealing? The digital age requires a different approach.
Generation Z, the TikTok generation, is entering our universities. They are digital natives shaped by rapid content. Can we align our teaching methods and strategies with their unique learning styles, habits, and preferences, knowing some teachers are still digital immigrants?
John Biggs' constructive alignment theory emphasizes that evaluation and assessment must match the learning objectives. The principles remain crucial as we consider integrating digital tools like TikTok into our teaching strategies. This becomes even more pertinent in today's digital age.
It's not just about teaching differently, it's about assessing differently. Are our exams and assignments truly reflecting our learning objectives? As educators, it's our responsibility to adapt, innovate, and provide the best learning experiences for our students.
Education is multifaceted. It's not just about information consumption. We must foster environments for discussion, debate, critical thinking, and deep understanding. An example is how we engage in our courses discussion forums, providing opportunities for meaningful interaction and reflection.
We will embrace digital tools promoting focus and mindfulness, which is very essential. Can we integrate practices and activities that may help students navigate the digital noise so they can focus better on their studies?
Platforms like TikTok are not just for entertainment, they can be powerful educational tools. Its audio, video, and captions can be used to break complex topics into engaging content. How can we harness the potentials of these technologies and platform effectively?
The debate isn't about completely transforming into a TikTok university. It's about balance. Can we integrate the strengths of platforms like TikTok while preserving the depth of traditional education and its assessment system?
The future of education is a blend. It combines the depth of traditional teaching with the engagement of modern formats. Our goal is to create a holistic learning experience for all that supports student centric programs with flexibility to the student's needs.
Imagine this, professors as content creators. We are used to creating our own print materials. We can also include audio and video and emerging technologies to make our subjects come alive in short, engaging bursts, making the learning experience more relatable and memorable for our students.
Our world is in constant flux. As technological advancements reshape societies, our education system must keep pace, preparing students for future challenges. For instance, the recent pandemic made distance education essential. Many have adapted because there was a need. As educators, we must prepare students for unforeseen challenges.
Every student is unique with diverse backgrounds, learning styles, and experiences. Our teaching and assessment methods must be versatile, ensuring that every student feel included and catered to. This can be accomplished by implementing activities responsive to student needs and interests.
Learning is active. While we use digital tools, fostering human connection, discussions, collaborations, critical thinking, and real world problem solving still remains as our top priority because active engagement of students and teachers is what truly drives meaningful learning outcomes.
Imagine classrooms augmented with AR and VR, platforms like TikTok enhancing engagement, and students collaborating globally. This might soon be our educational reality.
Education is a partnership, a journey we embark on together. Adapting to modern tools and methods ensures that this journey is fruitful for educators and students. It's also a collaboration between parents, schools, and communities to benefit social, linguistic, and academic achievements of students.
The future is bright. By being adaptable, innovative, and student centric, we can create learning environments where every student can thrive. Additionally, embracing technology and personalized learning approaches will further enhance the educational experience and empower students to reach their full potential.
Our ultimate goal is to educate, inspire, and prepare students for the real world using diverse platforms from traditional blackboards to modern tools like TikTok allows us to reach students where they are. Regardless of the medium, our commitment to this fundamental goal remains unchanged.
Should we become a TikTok university?
Perhaps not in name, but we can integrate TikTok as a teaching tool, embracing technology in the digital age, while ensuring our core values and objectives in education remain intact, is the way to move forward.